A number of years ago, my wife noticed that while I'm sleeping, that I stopped breathing. I went to the doctor to have the overnight sleep with all the wires connected, and the result was that I really don't have that much of an apnea problem. In doing some research, there's the machine that blows air into your throat, and I just didn't want to do that device. And I had heard about the SnoreGuard that brings your jaw forward. And I asked Erica if she offered that, and she said yes. So we've gone through a situation where she did the mold in my mouth. We went off to the manufacturer. Then you go through a period of getting used to that device in your mouth, and the result is that my jaw is pulled forward while I'm sleeping, and it continues to allow the air to pass fairly easily. I think it's good for my heart and for my brain that using this device, I use it every night. And so she offers another service beside dentistry. She offers the SnoreGuard device.